So today it is for those people that want to learn how to braid feed-in braids. So if you have been having difficulty braiding feed-in braids or stitch braid, then this tutorial is for you. So in this tutorial you will learn everything feed-in braids, the trick and the tips, and how you can secure your hair even if you're not using edge control. There are two ways you can add extension when you're doing feed-in braids. Either you pass through the back to put it and continue your braiding, or you place it on top. But if you're placing it on top, remember that you're not going to cross it, like you're not going to cross, you're going to just hold one side of the braid while you're braiding, just like the fishbone pattern. Then you cross over the other side that is still left out and just still tuck it in and continue braiding. So this is the second method. You can also do the same feed-in braids. So guys, if you're stumbling on my YouTube channel for the very first time, you're welcome. Thank you for joining today. Please do well to click on that subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family. And if you have any question to ask or you just want to leave any comments, please put it in the comment section and I will be here to respond to every one of you. Now let's go again. Whenever you're adding extension, try as much as possible. Put it through the back and secure it. Once you pass it through the back, use the other finger to secure it before you start braiding. Pass it through the back, use the other finger to pin it down and continue braiding. So this is a short tutorial. After you're done braiding, of course, we all know that hot water is very good for setting the hair. If you want the hair to be very, let me say, very fluffy, then hot water is very, very essential. But in this part, you have to be careful. You have to be careful. That's the reason you use your towel and the rest. Don't bring hot water too close to the person's scalp. You can use your towel afterwards to just press on the hair. So guys, I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. This is the final look of this hair. Also, this serves as a hair inspiration if you're looking for a hairstyle that's fast and that is suitable, that you don't have to sit for a very, very long time in the salon. This is another very beautiful hair inspiration. So guys, what do you think about this tutorial, and was it helpful? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're yet to subscribe, please smash that subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.